Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neha and I'm back with another video. If you guys are new here or if you have not already subscribed, then please go ahead and hit that red button and subscribe to my channel. I would really love that. Also give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. So for today's video, I thought of sharing with you guys some really useful life hacks. Trust me, they are very useful. I have been using them for years now. I, to be honest, use a lot of life hacks, but these are the ones which are tried and tested because I've been using them for a while now, so I know they'll definitely work. So if you guys are interested, please keep watching. So the first life hack, as you know, these sleeping masks which you get can be really expensive. So I made one of my own. So you basically need aloe vera gel and vitamin E oil. Both aloe vera gel and vitamin E oil are really good for your skin. If you have like dry skin or if you have acne scars, use this mask for 2 weeks and you'll definitely see a difference. So I mix aloe vera gel with 1 capsule of the vitamin E oil and then mix it together really well and apply a good enough layer of this on my skin and sleep. You can actually store it, but I would suggest making one fresh batch every week. So if you're someone who is really fond of like moisturizing masks and sleeping masks, you should definitely try it out. So do you ever have a problem with your hair tie or your scrunchie that 3 rounds is too tight and then 2 rounds is too loose, so your ponytail just keeps falling? So I have a solution for you guys. So you basically just need to put 2 bobby pins on 2 opposite sides of the hairband and then roll the hair tie around your ponytail and then put 1 bobby pin from the top and the other bobby pin from the bottom. I hope you can understand by seeing the video of how I am doing it. There you have a permanently fixed ponytail and it's not gonna move and it's gonna save you so much of time because I'm always adjusting my ponytail, opening it and tying it again, opening it and tying it again. Yeah. This next hack has saved my skin so many times. I can't even tell you. It's like my little secret. If you guys know or watch my videos, you know I have really sensitive skin and I get those like small bumps on forehead, allergies, rashes very easily. So you basically just need to have a clove of garlic every morning with water. Don't try to chew it because I've tried it and it's really bad. So just gulp it down with some water on an empty stomach, and you can Google the beneficial and medicinal properties of garlic. I know it's really good for skin and hair, but internally it does something that you don't get those rashes, allergies or bumps ever again. Just have that 1 clove of garlic, include it in your morning routine and you will not regret it. This particular hack I've been using for years now. You know, कुछ साल पहले जब highlighters trend में आया था, I did not use makeup. So instead what I did was I used to use my lip balm और Vaseline as a highlighter. एंड बहुत लोग बोलते हैं पोर्स ब्लॉक होता है ये वो, बट ट्रस्ट मी, मैं अभी तक ये करती हूँ. व्हेन आई जस्ट वांट टू गो आउट समवेयर, ऐसे ही आई डोंट वांट टू अप्लाई अ हाइलाइटर, आई जस्ट यूज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ वैसलीन ऑन लाइक माई हाई पॉइंट्स एंड इट एक्चुअली लुक्स लाइक यू हैव एन इनर ग्लो फ्रॉम विद इन वाला लुक. सो डू ट्राई दिस हैक एंड लेट मी नो हाउ यू लाइक इट. The next hack is for those of you who suck at drinking water. I'm proud of myself for just one thing in life, that I drink a lot of water. And you know how I am like tempted to drink water? It's because I always have water at 1 arm distance from me. I literally have water bottles on both sides of my bed. Anywhere in my house, there's always water bottles kept. This is something my mom used to do since we were like little kids, and since then I drink a lot of water. I actually have a water bottle here at 1 arm distance. This is something psychological, that if you have water at like 1 arm distance, you will be tempted to grab your water bottle and drink it. Do drink a lot of water and you'll definitely see a difference in your skin, in your hair and in your general well-being. So whenever I wear anything fake, maybe earrings or bracelets or anklets, anything, if it's fake, it will just end up giving me like those rashes in 2 to 3 hours. So if you guys want like a quick solution to this, is that just coat like the part which is getting in touch with your skin with some clear nail polish or any colored nail polish which you want, and that will just prevent like the actual material to come in contact with your skin, and that is how you can wear your cheap jewelry and also prevent the rashes and allergies. So for this next hack, I know these few months of quarantine has really messed up our sleep schedule. So either we sleep too much or we sleep too less, and we always end up waking with really dull and tired face and even puffy under eyes. So I have like a quick solution for you guys. This is a hack which actually models use to make their faces look more firm and stiff. So you need to splash some warm water on your face first, and right after that you need to splash some really cold water. If your skin is not that sensitive, then you can actually like splash ice cold water. I don't do it regularly, but some days when my skin is looking extremely tired, I do this like 3-4 times, 3-4 cycles of this warm and cold water, and it actually wakes your skin up. It makes it look much more healthy and firm. So yeah, do try it out and let me know if it really worked for you. So for the next hack, you just basically need to do a little DIY, and you need a hot glue gun and some sort of plate. So you just need to grab your plate and make some zigzag patterns with the hot glue gun, any sort of pattern. This is basically your own DIY makeup brush cleaner. So you need to wiggle your brushes or your beauty blenders over these patterns, and trust me, this works so well. Try this out and you're really gonna love it because it's gonna leave your brushes looking so damn clean. For my next hack, it's basically like a productivity hack, or maybe for people who forget things easily like me. So I write everything down because I forget things easily. Also, I feel like if you write things down, it will force you to do things for your day. Even if you're not able to complete all of them, you'll probably end up completing like maybe half to 3/4 of whatever you had decided for the day. If you want to get things done, just write them down. So I know a lot of people right now are experiencing hair fall, at least my friends, and I personally am experiencing a lot of hair fall. Now hair fall can be because of a lot of reasons. It can be genetic, it can be due to stress, or it can be due to your own personal lifestyle. So this is flax seeds. If you know, flax seeds have omega-3 in it. I'm a vegetarian, so I do not eat fish, and that is why my source of omega-3 and all sorts of fibers come from flaxseed. You can have it in any way you want with any sort of food, maybe smoothies or oatmeal, but I personally have grounded it into a fine powder and have like 2 teaspoons of it every morning with water. You can also apply this to your hair like a hair mask. So just mix a little bit of it with some honey and with some curd and just apply it to your hair and let it be for like 1 or 2 hours, and then wash it off, and you'll really see a difference in like the strength of your hair and the amount of hair fall you have. So for the last hack, this is for girls who have really bad cramps during periods. I have been a little lucky in this regard because I don't really get that terrible cramps during periods, maybe a little bit here and there during the first 2 days. But when I do get cramps, I eat a little bit of dark chocolate. Now dark chocolate has a high quantity of potassium, which basically helps your muscles to function and also prevents the muscles from retaining water, and does help you with the bloating as well. So yeah, dark chocolate is your savior during periods. So these were all of the hacks that I wanted to include in this video. I do have a lot of other hacks that I want to share with you guys, but I'll probably share that in a future video of mine. But if you guys liked it, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below for more such videos, and I'll see you very soon with another one. Till then, bye.